Hello, good morning students. Today is transcription number 215 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. The President's address makes a mention of labor relations which we are happy have definitely improved in the country but for the short-lived partial strike of the central government employees last year, the country has seen a period of unprecedented industrial peace. It must, however, be mentioned that this industrial peace and achievement of the country is not based on a proper distribution of national income. It was with a view to giving the labor of the country, the working people of the country, a share in the rising national income that the seventh plan provided for the appointment of wage boards for certain industries. It is a matter of not a little disappointment that wage boards were set up only for 3 out of the 8 industries for which they were provided during the 7th 5-year plan. Labor in the country has helped a great deal in achieving the industrial progress of which the President has correctly made a mention. It is the hard work, discipline, and enthusiasm of the working people which is responsible for the improvement in our economic situation, of which a mention has correctly been made. It is this section of the working people of our country which has, unfortunately, not shared the gains of productivity, which has not shared the gains of improvement in the economic life of the country. It was with a view to giving the workers a reasonable share of the gains of our increasing prosperity that the wage boards were thought of for 8 major industries. The workers in the country are disappointed that only in the case of sugar, cotton, and cement industries, wage boards were appointed and these bodies finished their work during the second plan period. That disappointment is further accentuated because of the fact that the employers in the country have not readily and enthusiastically implemented the unanimous recommendations of these bodies, which were tripartite in nature, in which the employers of the country were also represented. The government has not made up its mind about the recommendations of the wage board for the sugar industry, and even the government resolutions in the case of cement and the cotton textile industries have not been implemented by the industrialists. It is a matter of great disappointment. It indicates that the people who talk so much of industrial peace are really not interested as much in industrial peace based on sharing of the gains of increased production as they are interested in intensifying the rate of exploitation.